2020, 2021
Plug it in your YouTube.
kissing birds. So hi guys, this is my birds kissing for Valentine's Day. This is kind of a late post, but it's okay.
To make life happen. Executive. Executive assistant.
See, but they're kissing. It's Valentine's Day, so we're kissing.